How to get Uber Eats discount codes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Uber Eats discount codes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. You will need to head over to this website called CouponFollow. I'll show you how to do that. Simply search for couponfollow.com and hit enter. After you hit enter, this website will open up. All you have to do is tap on the search bar on the top right corner and search for Uber Eats. Then this Uber Eats will open up. Tap on it to open that up. After you open that up, here you will find different discount codes and promo codes. There you can see coupon codes and a lot more. You can see 15% off, you can see 10% off, you can see $15 off, and many more. You can also find 80% off. So yeah, there are a lot of options here. You can see free shipping as well. So open whichever you want and you can copy up the promo code and use it at Uber Eats. And that's how you can get Uber Eats discount codes. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.